Here's how you can get your iPhone to recommend a strong password. Essentially, strong password is a feature of the iPhone to ensure that, you have a very secure online presence, and this new password doesn't even have to be memorized because it can be saved. But this is how it works, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss videos like these. Essentially, you need to open up and get the passwords application on your iPhone. And now this is part of the iOS 18. So if you don't have that, make sure you at first update and then just find this specific app. So when you get inside, as you can see, my face has to be scanned and authenticated. And this is the place where you have the ability to track all of the passwords. I'm saying this because here is where the new secure password is going to be saved. Okay, but once you have that, you can leave the app and then open up the settings, then go to the general section, and in here you're going to be able to find the autofill and passwords. So just click on this, and when you get inside, you want to make sure that it is actually turned on. So you can see autofill has to have the green check right there. So it will essentially automatically suggest passwords, passkeys, and verification codes when signing to apps and websites. So this is what we want to do, and you want to make sure we have that enabled. So once you do have this, then anytime you just want to sign into a new website, you will be recommended to use a new safe password. So right now I just looked up the Netflix, right? As just an example, I'm trying to set up a new password for my accounts. When I click on the password field, you can see that I can use a strong password, so it can just save it and fill it in. So, this is the feature that we just set up, and probably a thing that you want to have on your device as well. So this is just how it works. I've shown you how to set it up. So if that's something you wanted, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video in the future.